Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. Welcome to today's tutorial. We're going to be creating something that we don't actually have an idea of, but I will be making use of a content that I do have on ground. It's for the 30 days money mindset challenge. So I'll be using just this caption for the header while we'll be working on it. So let me just copy that, paste it. That's pasted. I will be using monument extended for this. So let's zoom in a little bit and work on it. First things first, we draw a rectangle, which is our base background, or for our base. Instead, I will be using this color. I have my color palette provided up here. The file will be provided in the Telegram channel, or yeah, in the Telegram channel. So I'll be using the color picker to pick this eyedropper to pick that color. I'll be using it as my main background color. So I already have this stock image, which is in PNG format, transparent. We'll be working with this. So I'm going to bring it to the front, Control Shift coily brackets, close coily brackets. I bring that to the front. I tilt it a little bit. The idea I do have is sunrise, but from tilted buildings instead. So one here, I will copy this and I will duplicate it. So I reflect and I press OK. I could take it down. I think this is better. They are on different heights. Good. So we have our sun, our ray of sun. Then we have, the idea is to have the ray of sun here, then have the sun here, then have the rays of sun pushing out, but we'll have it in a wavy form. So we'll also be working with strokes and working with solid shapes which have fills, and let's see what we can come up with. So I will be drawing using the ellipse tool to draw an ellipse shape. So this is my shape. I'll have the main color to be yellow. Yeah, I duplicate it by scaling it up by 120 and press copy. I take it to the back, just control open coily bracket. This is okay. We can work with probably making this dark color. Oh no, inside. I think that would work. Make it right there. Oh, just a little bit towards that. Good. Yeah. So let's make it better. That let's add some of our effect inside on it. I click on this, I transform it, I scale it up to about, let me say 150 and copy that, but I'll be using the gradient, so the radar gradient to create the rays that will act for it. So let's say we change this color first. Before we do that, let's add this to the swatch panel. Go to the swatch, press the folder here, and we could just say W4O. That's just for the month and also for the week. Oh, sorry. Good. Now we already have that in our swatches panel. So we'll go back to the gradient, select this, double click. I think that's two now. Okay, still one. Double click and we could go to the swatches and choose this. While we leave that as that. Choose the center. This color is for the center, so choose it as 0, and we can work our way to making this. We can also push, then reduce your opacity of this to about 20. Okay. Remember to send it back, but I think now we just have to just work with what we have. So good. This, yeah. Is it giving us the? Is it giving? Yeah, it's giving. Click, click, click. Scale a little bit. Bring it down. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I like it. I like it. It's coming out well. So let's bring everybody to the front. We'll also be using this. We scale it by making 150, but let's do 120 instead, or 130. We'll have that copied, and then also duplicate that and do one more duplicate. Should we add one more? Yes. Good. But for this case, let's take, the more you duplicate, the more it comes in front, so you have to take it to the back and act. So this is in front, so we'll take it probably some steps back, this some steps back, some steps back, and some steps back, 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 just one back, and just one more back. So I think that's okay. But want to work from here, want to just be, it will not have a fill, it will have strokes instead, but the strokes will be 0.5, and we'll make it white. So we have we'll be adding an effect called the roughen. We reduce the intensity, and the details should not be too much up there about. So make it smooth, reduce it a little. Good. Okay. And yeah, good. So this one, I want it to be very close, but I also want it to have this effect. So go back to that. We'll go back to roughen, reduce the intensity, reduce the details, increase the intensity a little bit, the details. Sorry, I think it should not be too much. Make it smooth. Okay, good. Okay, so select this, and this. We take them to the back. So back. Good. Select this, scale it down a little bit. The idea, something is missing. I think, okay, yeah, okay, so I think it's okay now. But I do not like this, the way it's like just there, not having anything working on it. So probably we could add a little bit of distraction, find a way to see how we can add distractions to the background. Should we try something like using using the stroke here, which is like the roughing is the stroke here, or should we just have lines of things working, or we could just have dots which could represent stars? Yeah, we could have the stars, the real stars itself. Make it fill, that's there. We could rotate the stars, remember. Stars don't have to be properly arranged. Remember to copy, you hold on the Alt, then you click and drag, and that works well. Okay, I think we just need to just make this pattern. I think it can also work as pattern, so just group it, come to object, come to pattern, come to make, and we'll have them okay there. It's in white, so I don't want them white. Move it up, let's see how it looks like. Could have you come here, you a little bit, don't want you to be too arranged. Okay, so we'll copy this, Ctrl C, Ctrl F to paste in front, and we apply our stars. I think it's too much, so we could find a way to reduce I think it's okay. It's okay. If you feel it's too shouty, you could also apply some Gaussian to it. Make it 5. Yeah. Okay. Back. Back. Let's see. Let's scale up the building a little bit. Can bring them closer. Shouldn't be afraid of coming close. Yeah, you moved. Place that in the center. Better. Good. So now let's have our text integrated. We could try a different method. I did actually try one method in the previous poster. I think we can steal from here. This guy and this guy. We copy that and paste it there and hide it because we don't want you again. Okay, so this works very well for me. It works very well for me. We can scale it up because we are not afraid of working with big text. We are not the client. Let's go back to read. Could we? Okay, financial. Let's go with just the financial here. I will place the financial here. Success. Should I place the success with the financial? Go place that together. Or just no, go back. Success should be highly pronounced. Let's take the financial out of there. Financial should be here. Copy paste. So we could say read success stories. Copy paste. Should be placed in the center. Move that to the center. And yeah, should it take you? I think we should add shadows to these guys. Duplicate, hold Alt, Control, drag, change that to black, pitch black. We can reduce opacity, and the roughing should be there. Go to effects, go to blur, go to Gaussian blur, and you make it like 15 or thereabout. Then send it to the back of the main shape and that duplicate. So it has this soft, I think it's soft enough, and it's just to show. We could increase it in case you think it's less pronounced. So 15, yeah, click out there. And also we also apply the same thing to this guy too. I think I should raise this a little bit up. Duplicate it, take it down a little bit, make it black, pitch black, reduce it to about 15. Go to effects, go to blur, go to Gaussian blur, and press OK, and send it to the back of your main shape. Send that, and this is it. This is how it looks. I am liking it. I am so liking it. But I think we could work on making our sun shine bright. Let's add our an outer glow to it. So add outer glow. We change it to about kind of milk color. Okay. Make that 20. That's the blur effect. Make it 20. And so 20 is okay, but it's not still given as the word is. We can drop it here drop the saturation a little bit. Okay, I think it's trying to deceive me. You click outside, and I think it's okay. We can also work on adding a blur, a Gaussian blur to it. Because you're also feeling this one too is kind of not giving. We should drop the opacity, not drop the opacity, not make it too shouty, so probably just reduce it, but it should be brighter. Then we can work. Okay, let's work with gradient, right? Let's work with gradient. Can we reverse the case? No, we can't reverse the case. Yes, I think we should reverse the case. Let's go back. For you, we could push you to the edge like this too, so you can be 50 and giving us that sun. Yeah, that sun effect is there. So yeah. So I think this is what I want. This is what I want. Probably maybe the background is not looking too giving, but I think it's very okay for me. Can probably make this one soft, so blur too can also work on that one too, but should not be too shouty. Yeah, so I think this is good, and you can scale out a little bit. Yeah, so I think this is given, and I do like what I get here. Yeah, so nighttime having houses or having tall buildings or skyscrapers instead on different heights. Take this one a little bit down, move it inside a little bit. Good. Yeah, so the rest can just be probably small effects that we'll be adding, probably using our pencil to just draw lines like that, and yeah, make it. I will want to go with something. Yeah, that one is okay. It's okay. Zoom in, working on this. It's too precise. Double click and you make it very smooth. So you could go like this and go like this and not being afraid of maybe having rough edges also. And we can also tilt this a little bit. Reduce it to, I think, 2. 2 is okay. Bring it down. And we can work on having dashes. I don't like that. Again, having dashes is nice. It's nice. Can duplicate it as they are the same building. Just reflect. Okay, go inside. And that's it. We can also, I think you should just take it to the back of your sun, so it doesn't look like it has an end. Send it to the back of your sun. No, it's too much. Yeah, so that's it. So thank you guys for watching. If you like this, you can subscribe. If you don't like it, you can also subscribe and then share it to your friends. I will see you in the next video. Thank you all for watching.